Hi, and welcome to another episode of Coffee with Coatney. I'm Terry Coatney, a realtor with Coldwell Banker. We have offices in Vienna, West Virginia, and Marietta, Ohio. We've been talking about the home buying process, and now we're to the point where you're starting to have some really fun things to do shopping for a home. So, first of all, you have to kind of gauge what the market is. If you were looking at a home a couple years ago and things were going for above asking price and going really quick without people doing home inspection. In some parts of the country, people were paying $100,000, $200,000 over asking price. Well, what's the market like today? Is it that type of a hot market? No, it's not that hot now. It's becoming a more of a normal market. However, it is a low inventory market. So that means that when you see something that fits your needs and makes sense for you, you're going to have to act on it fairly quickly. Even last week, I had a listing which got into a multiple offer contract kind of an issue, so without doing things quickly, you may lose the house. Now, we know you might have a dream house, but you have to think in terms too of what's good enough. For example, find a house that has good bones, meets your needs, and it's under your top price, so that you're not poor. You might find a dream home, but an hour and a half commute to work, and living in that dream home is not going to be very enjoyable when you're commuting 3 hours a day. Or example, you may have a dog and you need a house with a big yard, and so that's what you look for. However, if you find your dream house and it has a big yard, and you don't have a dog, and you hate yard work, again, that might be something that is not desirable for you. Well, how do you go about this? Well, work hand in hand with your realtor. Make sure that you have a good schedule, that you're looking at houses in an orderly and timely fashion. And when you are touring a house, sometimes you may see 4 or 5 houses in a day. Take some notes, and then you and your partner, or if you have a partner, can talk about the pros and cons of each one of those properties. Your realtor can help you organize your thoughts also, and can provide you with all kinds of details about the house. So, if you're thinking about buying or selling, give me a call and I'll help you with the process either way. And if you're a first-time home buyer, there's some things that you need to know too about the first-time home buying process that are available for you, that are especially just for you as a first-time home buyer. I hope to talk to you soon. Give me a call and we'll chat about any of these things. Have a great day.